Why is it taking so long for your Cadillac Lyriq to arrive? Stay tuned with us as we elaborate on this and other related material. GM celebrated the start of production for the all-electric 2023 Cadillac Lyriq luxury crossover in March, but just 122 units have been delivered for the full 2022 calendar year since then. We're now looking into why Cadillac Lyriq deliveries appear to be taking so long. To begin, let us summarize the current scenario. The Cadillac Lyriq is manufactured at General Motors' Spring Hill plant in Tennessee, which underwent a $2 billion renovation to prepare it for EV production. Welcome to Lyriq Media. Here, we strive to keep you up to date on the newest information and current news about the EV Lyriq Cadillac and other forthcoming EVs from the Cadillac Corporation. So, if you're an electric car fan or owner, there's a place for you on this channel. We work as a family, listening to your comments in the comments section and creating all of the necessary videos with the knowledge you need to stay current in the EV sector. To stay up to date on our latest material, please subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell if you're new here. Thank you very much. Returning to our video. The manufacturing capacity of the factory is a little under 200,000 units per year, which comprises all models made there, including ICE-based cars such as the Cadillac XT5, Cadillac XT6, and GMC Acadia. Last year, the Cadillac Lyriq was manufactured in a total of 8,195 units, with November having the highest monthly production total of 2,477 units. Despite this, only 122 units were delivered during the entire calendar year of 2022, 20 of which were part of GM's new Cadillac Lyriq Ambassador program, which offers certain customers a $5,500 vehicle discount in exchange for allowing GM to track how they use their vehicle as part of an early adopter study. So the issue is, why is it taking so long for new Cadillac Lyriq units to be delivered? One of the major factors, it turns out, is time. A car typically takes between 30 and 100 days to reach a dealer, and given that the great majority of Cadillac Lyriq units were constructed in September and later, many vehicles may still be in this process. However, there is another thing to consider here as well. The sluggish rollout is on purpose. As previously reported by GM Authority, the Cadillac Lyriq has had some teething problems, with GM delivering a remedy for the Lyriq's vehicle software management update earlier this year, a fix for a cracked liftgate panel in October, and a recall for display screen difficulties last September. Cadillac's 2023 calendar year is predicted to be eventful, with the luxury brand introducing a few mid-cycle upgrades to its product inventory. So, to get a sense of Cadillac's ambitions, here's a breakdown of what to expect from Cadillac in North America, as well as what will be presented chronologically in the 2023 calendar year. The first model is the 2023 Cadillac Lyriq AWD in luxury trim. This Lyriq model, with manufacturing slated to begin in early 2023, incorporates an Ultium drive engine on each of the front and back axles, providing a total of 500 horsepower. Production will take place at the GM Spring Hill factory in Alabama, alongside the present RWD variant of the Lyriq. Following the 2023 Lyriq AWD, GM intends to release the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq in spring 2023, with a starting price of around $60,000. The Lyriq will receive a revised model range for the 2024 model year, which will feature the Lyriq Sport and Lyriq Premium Luxury. This trim level extension will help to cement the Cadillac e-trim level strategy by providing a more comprehensive model portfolio overall. According to Lyriq Media, the Cadillac Lyriq EV 2024 will be the first GM car in North America to include 5G network connectivity. This 5G capability will be standard on all Lyriq trim levels. On August 19, 2021, GM unveiled their 5G ambitions for 2024, following 2 years of collaboration with AT&T to establish the necessary network connectivity. GM stated its cooperation with AT&T will allow it to deploy the world's biggest fleet of 5G-enabled vehicles, after testing 5G-enabled vehicles at its Milford Proving Ground test site in Michigan during the spring and early summer of 2022. The 5G network will be used by GM to support technologies such as on-Starlink services, Super Cruise, and its global B-electronic architecture, also known as the Vehicle Intelligence Platform. On a more practical level, 5G connectivity will accelerate maps, movie and music downloads, and software upgrades over the air. GM was among the first to introduce 4G LTE mobile internet technology in its vehicles, and it looks to be going forward with 5G fifth-generation data technology as well, with the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq leading the charge. Meanwhile, older Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, and Cadillac vehicles have lost OnStar connectivity as a result of Verizon's December 2022 2G sunset. The older network has been phased out in favor of the development of 4G and 5G networks. The Cadillac Lyriq 2024 will also receive various additional upgrades for the brand. The base-level tech trim level is new for the next model year. A number of aesthetic and convenience elements that are included on the luxury and sport trims are absent from the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq Tech. The cabin of the tech trim has the Noir interior color scheme with two-tone upper bolster details in true aluminum trim. The driver assist package, which includes many safety technologies, is available as an option on the Tech, but standard on all other 2024 Cadillac Lyriq grades. The Napa leather package is available as an option on the Luxury 3 and Sport 3 trims of the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. For $3,990, this upgrade adds Napa leather, real ash wood trim, and illuminated front sill plates to the interior. In late January 2023, GM Authority revealed the price for the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq. The 2024 Lyriq starts at $58,590 MSRP for the tech grade with RWD and goes up to $74,590 for the AWD Sport 3. We also provided the pricing for the vehicle's options and packages. To recap, the 2024 Cadillac Lyriq is powered by GM Ultium batteries and GM Ultium drive motors and rides on the GM BEV3 chassis. Production will take place at the General Motors Spring Hill factory in Tennessee, with the start of regular production set for March 20, 2023. GM has launched a new customer satisfaction program for the all-electric Cadillac Lyriq luxury crossover in response to a software configuration management issue that may impact the vehicle's infotainment and lighting systems. The issue: affected Cadillac Lyriq units may have several software difficulties, resulting in a situation in which the onboard entertainment system fails to output any music, the cornering lamps flash, or there are other illumination issues. There are presently no known safety risks associated with this problem. The remedy is for GM personnel to certify that over-the-air upgrades were appropriately deployed. Furthermore, the dealer will need to manually upgrade numerous modules to guarantee that onboard systems are running the most recent software. GM instructs dealers to utilize a pair of SD cards to reprogram onboard software, such as the power steering control, front view camera, forward range radar sensor, long range modules, and image processing module 1 processor 1 VCI, if necessary. The following components are affected: onboard software and module programming. The 2023 Cadillac Lyriq is one of the automobiles affected. This is all we have for you today. Keep tuned to Lyriq Media and share your ideas in the comments section below. Don't overlook the opportunity to subscribe until our next video. Stay healthy. Number of impacted vehicles. It's unclear how many 2023 Cadillac Lyriqs are affected by this customer satisfaction initiative at this time. Owners should. GM will notify owners of impacted cars and direct them to contact their local dealer. Owners who are unclear whether or not their car is covered by this customer satisfaction program should contact GM directly with any questions or concerns using the customer satisfaction numbers and contact information provided below.
We have come to the end of today's video. Share with us your thoughts in the comments section. If there is anything we didn't cover and you would like to know, let us know in the comment section. Stay tuned to Lyriq Media for all the latest Cadillac Lyriq news. We will keep you posted on every update. As of now, this was what we could gather. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video to let the YouTube universe know that this video is helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.